Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Zksync. All right, I covered this yesterday when we just launched, and then I'm not sure what I said anymore, but in general it was very early. All right, so when a token has just launched, the things you can say about a crypto are very limited in general. So right now we have a little bit more price action. We can do some sort of an analysis on the 15-minute time frame, which is also for the traders and the analysts under us. That's not ideal, but there are some things we can actually see, and I do think that those are important. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about, and that's what we will talk about in this video as well. Now, unfortunately, I don't have open interest numbers yet, which is not amazing, but maybe I can use this. I mean, I don't think I can. I'll try to see if there's anything here. No, there's no data. I did see like CK. If you look up ZKJ Bybit has, but I don't think that's actually ZK. No, that's a completely different coin. So we cannot use that. But what you can see is here on the technicals. First of all, what's always interesting, and that's also what we saw with IO.net, for example. If you remember, the AI coin that did relatively well after launch, it has also dropped down. But what you saw after this launched on Binance is that the volume was very high. And if you take a look at the volume right now across the board, you can see that ZK is actually in the top 10 in volume in the last 8 hours. So that matters, all right? And you can also see that, right? Oh, no, you can see that. You can see right now we have $1.3 billion in volume. In my eyes, and knowing what type of project Zksync is, and assuming that they do have some sort of market maker support, even though the markets right now are not great, which is objectively true, I think, altcoins are at a major low right now, even though we are at support, so it could be a good thing as well. But due to those circumstances, I think it's hard to rally, but I do think that with that volume, ZK still has a chance to rally. And then you look at the technicals and you can see that basically since yesterday afternoon we were trending down, and then earlier this morning after that significant drop we also had overnight, which doesn't seem to have affected ZK that much, you can actually see a breakout. And you can actually see, look here, we broke out, and then you can actually see that we respected the breakout as well. And then right now we are forming a bullish market structure, right? I mean, we are breaking above key levels right here. We're making higher lows. We're making higher highs. So I actually do think that there's a chance that ZK will rally here. Now, my main price target, excuse me, if we actually stay bullish here, which by the way, like I said, I mean, I'm not sure if I'm going to trade this. Purely technically, this looks pretty good. Right, so purely technically, I would say, well, it looks most likely that we're going to go up. And my main price target for that would be, well, first of all, 26 cents, because it seems like we actually found some strong resistance there. But ultimately, this level right here at 29 and 30 cents, where we basically fill the wick and we have a strong psychological resistance level. So do I think we can get there? Yes. But I do think we need a stronger market. All right, if the altcoin market actually bounces and if Bitcoin actually gains momentum from here, then I think ZK will continue to be bullish. For now, the next major resistance level that's coming up is this level right here at 24 cents. If you want to look for an entry, I would say it looks most likely we're going up there. If we can break above that level while the market is also finding support and gaining momentum, then I think we can really rally. For now, I think it's most likely we will be bullish, but I haven't seen enough confirmation to tell you that we're going to have a huge rally. All right, so wait for that confirmation. If for some reason we drop down below 21 cents, this whole bullish momentum is gone, and I was wrong. But for now, looks good short term. Need to get some more confirmations. That is true, but if we do get those, I see a pretty bright short-term future for ZK here. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.